In this video, I will show you how to reset Windows to factory default. If this tutorial was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like for more videos. And now anyways, let's get into this video. Maybe you want to reset to go and sell it, or you want to have a PC to look good as new, or even keep your important files that you don't want to lose. So I will explain you how. First, go to the Start menu and navigate to Settings. If you can't see it, just go to the search bar to find Settings. And now go to System. Now scroll down and look for Recovery Options, and then once you find it, click on Recovery. Under Recovery Options, click on Reset PC. Whether you want to keep your files or remove everything, choose the one you want. The next option is to how you can reinstall Windows. Whether you want to do a cloud download or a local reinstall, choose the following option. And now all you have to do is to click on Next. And now it's going to say getting things ready. It might take a minute or two, depending on your internet connection. And now, once it's loaded, just click on Reset, and then your PC will reset back to factory default. And that's it for today's video. If this tutorial was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like for more videos. Thanks for watching.